Hello and welcome to our newborn photography safety series brought to you by StandInBaby. My name is Sandra Moffat, and in an effort to make sure that we bring you all the information and facts relating to newborn safety, joining me throughout this series is well-respected neonatal nurse Anne-Marie Fieri, who will be advising us on the essentials to safely working with newborns in a studio environment. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about safety issues with newborn photography. But before we start, I'd like to say that if you are unsure about anything you hear during this series, please seek advice from a medical practitioner near you and get the answers that you need. If you have been given information from other sources, make sure it's a reliable source because the health and well-being of our clients should always be put first. In this tutorial, we're going to do a walkthrough of a back and a side pose. We will cover what to look out for as well as what to avoid. You're able to get a variety of angles as well as beautiful detailed shots from both of these poses with very little setup or movements of the baby, which means they're perfect if you are worried about possible health concerns. I also find these great to start your session with, as both of these poses are great for gauging how the baby responds to you, your movements of them and their temperament, and then you can adjust your session flow accordingly. These poses are perfect for photographers just starting out. Let's take a look. Now, to keep going with our transitional posing and trying to alleviate moving the baby too much, if you were going to go from the bum up pose, the next pose that I would transition into would be the side pose. It's very easy to achieve from this particular pose. So all I need to do is I need to bring the back arm around and under the baby, and then